this situation. Number one, we have to realize as Muslims that today there are 5.211 million Palestinians as of today, according to Worldometer, on the 24th of May 2021. Today there are 5.211 million Palestinians, of which more than 2 million are in the Gaza Strip. And the total Muslim population of the world today is more than 2 billion. According to me, these Palestinians, for the last several decades, they are doing Fardh Kifaya. They are protecting the third holiest site of Islam. They are protecting the Masjid Al-Aqsa. What they are doing is Fardh Kifaya. It's the duty of every Muslim. If they were not there, it would have been our duty to protect it. So what they are doing is they are risking their life. Palestinians, they are doing Fardh Kifaya on behalf of the Muslim Ummah. Today the Muslim Ummah are more than 25% of the world population. We are more than 7.8 billion Muslims, out of which there are more than 7.8 billion human beings in the world today, of which more than 2 billions are Muslim. More than 25% are Muslims. And it is a shame that all the Muslims, more than 25% of the world population put together, we cannot protect Masjid Al-Aqsa. So number one, these Palestinians are doing Fardh Kifaya by protecting the third holiest mosque, the third holiest site of Islam.